Remember when fixing things around the house was all about sweat, swearing, and hoping you didn't break anything else in the process? Welcome to 2024, where the evolution of handyman services is so advanced that even your grandpa's wrench needs to be updated. We're talking about drones, AI assistants, and tools that are smarter than some people. Stick around, and I'll show you how fixing stuff has gone from grunt work to something almost fun. First up, let's talk tools. Remember when you had to rely on your gut instinct to fix that leaky pipe? Yeah, that usually ended with a plumber visit and a hefty bill. But in 2024, smart tools are here to save you from yourself. Take the DeWalt DCF 888 Impact Driver with Tool Connect. This bad boy connects to your smartphone and provides real-time data on your torque, tracks the tool's location, and even lets you customize speed and torque settings through an app. Imagine tightening a bolt and your phone buzzes. Hey, they're good. No need to turn that into a pretzel. We all need this kind of peace of mind when tackling those DIY projects. These tools do more than make you look good. They've got your back. From innovative drills that adjust their power based on the material to impact drivers that won't strip your screws, 2024's tools are like having a handyman guardian angel. And let's be honest, some of us need one. Ever feel like your home projects are laughing at you? Well, now they are. Thanks to the Bosch Go-To Smart Screwdriver, your new best friend in the handyman world. This little powerhouse is USB chargeable, has electronic torque settings, and features a push-and-go system that makes driving screws as easy as, well, pushing a button. Need to tighten up that cabinet door? The Bosch Go-To's got your back with precision control and just enough torque to keep everything snug without overdoing it. No more fumbling around with manual screwdrivers or stripping screws. This tool makes sure you're always one step ahead. You'll be ready to show off to your friends and tackle that next-level project by the time you're done. Don't be surprised if you start feeling like a pro after using it. Ah, the classic ladder. Sturdy, reliable, and a great way to spend your Saturday in the ER. But in 2024, ladders are so last century. Enter drones, the handyman's new best friend that doesn't need coffee breaks or workers' compensation. The DJI Mavic 3 has revolutionized how we handle those pesky high-up jobs. This drone isn't just for taking breathtaking aerial shots. It's equipped with high-definition cameras and precise controls, perfect for inspecting roofs, cleaning gutters, or even checking out that suspicious chimney. No more wobbling on a ladder while your neighbor pretends not to watch you from behind their curtains. And the best part? You get to watch the footage later and pretend you did all the hard work. Take the credit. You've earned it by simply pressing a button. 2024 isn't just about fixing things. It's about fixing them right, which means going green. Say hello to eco-friendly solutions that are so efficient and make Mother Nature proud. Take the Husqvarna Automower 450X8, an autonomous lawnmower that's solar-assisted and smart enough to navigate your yard without turning your flower beds into mulch. Not only does this mower save energy, but it also saves you from having to explain to your kids why the dog has a new haircut. And the best part? It powers itself. No more yanking on a cord while the neighbors pretend not to laugh from behind their windows. And if you think that's cool, wait until you see 3M Thinsulate window film, which will make your home so energy efficient that it'll practically start hugging trees. So go ahead, tell your friends you've gone green. They'll be too jealous to care. You know that sinking feeling when something breaks, and you realize it's a unique piece you can't replace. Well, in 2024, that's a non-issue, thanks to 3D printing. Break apart? Just print a new one with the Prusa i3 Key 3s plus 3D printer. It's like having a magic wand, minus the wizard robes. No more waiting weeks for a particular order or driving to 5 stores only to find out they all have the same wrong size. Just hit print, grab a snack, and your new part is ready by the time you're back. It's like having a Home Depot without the annoying fluorescent lights in your basement. And for those with a creative streak, 3D printing is a dream come true. Want to make a custom tool that doesn't exist yet? Go for it. Do you feel like turning your junk drawer into a treasure trove? The printer's ready when you are. Remember when learning a new handyman skill meant messing up at least 3 times before getting it right? Well, not anymore. In 2024, you can level up your do-it-yourself game with virtual reality training programs like Do-It-Yourself VR. Now you can practice your skills in a simulated environment where mistakes don't cost you a dime and you don't have to clean up afterward. It's like playing a video game, but instead of battling monsters, you're battling that wobbly shelf and winning. When you're done, complete challenges, earn badges, and become more skilled than a reality show contractor. Plus, no one has to know how many virtual nails you bent. So next time you take on a real-world project, you'll do it with confidence. And hey, you might even have fun along the way. Who knew home repairs could be so entertaining? So there you have it, the evolution of handyperson services in 2024. From intelligent tools that practically do the work for you to drones that make ladders look like ancient history, fixing stuff has never been easier, greener, or more fun. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just trying not to break anything, these innovations are here to help you crush your next project, and maybe even enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and laughs from elite service masters. If you'll excuse me, I've got a drone to train. It's been eyeing my car like it's next on its to-do list.